Hi friends, the era of phones is ongoing and new smartphones are there in the market. Among them today we are going to talk about Vivo X100 Pro.
Main camera, triple 50MP, f/1.8, 23mm, wide, 1/0.98 inch, PDAF, laser AF, OIS, 50MP, f/2.5, 100mm, periscope telephoto, 1/2, PDAF, OIS, 4.3x optical zoom, 50MP, f/2.0, battery, Type Li-ion 5400 mAh, non-removable, charging 100W wire.
Display Type LTPO-AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 3000 nits, peak, size 6.78 inches, 111.0 square centimeters, approximately 89.8% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 ratio, pubg. 2G bands GSM 800 and 5900, 1800, 1900 SIM1 and SIM2. CDMA 800. 3G bands HSDPA 800 and 850, 900 and 1700, AWS, 1900 and 2100. 4G bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 17, 18, 19, 26, 28, 34, 38, 39, 40, 41. 5G bands 1, 3, 5, 8, 28, 38, 40, 41, 77, 78, 79 SA, NSA. Speed HSPA, LTEA, 5G. Launch. Announced 2023, November 13. Status available. Released 2023, November 21. Body. Dimensions 164.1 by 75.3 by 8.9 mm or 9.1 mm. Weight 221 grams or 220.
The market. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time, Bibi.